They said I couldn't ski with these tiny arms. Look at me now!
Google just took AI video creation to the next level. Meet VEO 3.1, the newest update inside the Gemini app. Let's break down what's new, how it works, and how can you try it yourself. So what's new in VEO 3.1? Higher resolution up to Full HD or higher, smarter object and scene consistency, cinematic camera, movement and improved light realism, and better sound and dialogue generation.
They said I couldn't ski with these tiny arms. Look at me now!